Hey y'all, it's my cheat meal, and I decided to get me a burrito because I haven't had one of these in so long. Hold on. Wow, y'all. I forgot how good these burritos were. I got the Chipotle chicken avocado burrito and a creamy cilantro dressing. Wow. It's been a while, y'all, since I had something like that. Wow. Don't judge me. If I'm gonna have a cheat day, a cheat meal, I got some nachos with some sour cream, knowing I'm supposed to be having no dairy. Wow. I forgot how good eating bad was. Wow. Oh my God, my burrito falling apart. Hold on now. Is this greedy of me, y'all? Is this greedy of me? Let me know. Is this big of me? Oh my God, I haven't had this in so long, y'all. Oh shit. I got a salt and pepper. I know, do some that. Wow. Wow. No lie. For your local burritos, top tier. But y'all have to tell them extra grilled. Y'all have to get the extra grill on the burrito. Look at that. The only thing I'm missing, y'all, is a Coke. I ain't had one of them in so long. I don't even want to go there. I really could have just went all the way and had me a Coke with this, but no. Look at my burrito just dripping. Wow. Look at my burrito, y'all. It got a mind of its own. Do y'all miss me eating like this? Be honest. Because this is what y'all want to see every day. Y'all want to trick me out of my spot. Why is that? Why is that? Oh, I got stuff all in my hair. If I finish this whole burrito, would that make me greedy? Be honest, y'all. Is that big of me? Tell me the truth. The burrito's so motherfucking good and juicy. Baby. BRB. Y'all. I want to have a sip of water. But I know I really need to. BRB. My belly is full, y'all. So full. So I just gotta get my last little bite. Last little bites is crazy. Wow. I still got my water. At least I still got my water. A Coca-Cola would have did it, baby. A Coca-Cola would have set me right, but I be going too far. Too far, y'all. My belly's so full right now, I'm delusional. And tummy's still grumbling. Like, girl, what more could you want? I can't even eat no more, y'all. See y'all later.